Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage shopping notification on your Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your shopping notification on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage shopping notification on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into your Instagram homepage. In here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. For your profile page, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. And then from here, you'll see how you use Instagram. Tap on these notifications. And then in here, you need to scroll down and you'll see here the other notification types. In here, you'll see the shopping. Tap on this shopping. And now, you can manage notification on your shopping. In here, for example, you don't want notification on accounts you follow, simply toggle this button to turn it off. And you can also manage notification on your shopping as adjusted for you. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage shopping notification on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage shopping notification on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.